Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will tell you about this coaster. This is reversible pattern and this is very easy to make, and I will tell you the easiest steps to make this coaster. So let's begin our video. Okay, for this coaster I am taking this 2-ply wool, and with this I am using this 2.0 mm crochet hook. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot like this, or you can start like this also. Okay, make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. After 5 chains, in very first chain we'll make 1 single crochet like this. Now we have a ring. Okay, now make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count in our double crochets. Okay, so we'll make total 16 double crochet into this ring or into this space. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, and I will make 14 more double crochet into this ring. Okay, after 16 double crochets we'll make a slip stitch into this third chain. In third chain we'll make a slip stitch like this, and we'll join this first round like this. Okay, now in the second round we'll make 3 chains as our double crochet and 2 more chains for the 2 chain space and 1 double crochet in the same chain. Now this is a V stitch. Now chain 1 and skip 1 chain. In the next chain make 1 V stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Now this is our second V stitch like this. Chain 1, skip 1. In the next chain make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the same chain like this. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain. So in the last we should have 8 V stitches in this round. Okay, after 8 V stitches make 1 chain, and in third chain 1 2 and 3, in third chain make 1 slip stitch, and here my second round is also completed now. Okay, in third round make 3 chains as our double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next space. Now there are 2 double crochets, make 1 chain, and now make 2 more double crochets in the same space or in this V stitch, 1 and 2 like this. Okay, now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the next V stitch we'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. chain 1 and 2 more double crochet in the same space. 1 and 2, like this. 2 chains. After 2 chains, in the next V stitch, make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space, like this. We will complete our third round. Okay, after this, 2 chains, and in third chain, 1, 2 and 3. In third chain, we'll make a slip stitch. And here my third round is also completed now. Now in fourth round, we'll make a slip stitch here in the first chain, and in the next chain we'll make a second slip stitch, like this. Now here we'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Basically we are in the middle of this V stitch. Okay, now make 3 double crochets total in this space. 3. After 3 double crochets, make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. See, in starting we have made 3 chains as our double crochet and 2 more double crochets, and make 2 chains and 3 more double crochet in the same space. We have made 6 double crochets with 2 chains in the same space, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the next space, in this 1 chain space or in this V stitch, we'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. After 3 double crochets, make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same space, 2 and 3, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and again repeat the same. In the next V stitch, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 more double crochets in the same space, and 3, 2 chains. Like this, we will complete our fourth round also. In last, again we'll join with a slip stitch in the third chain, like this, and it will look like this. Okay, in fifth round we will make 3 slip chains, 1, 2 and 3. The motive to make slip stitch here to come into this space. Okay, now make 3 chains as our double crochet. Okay, now this time we will make 3 more double crochets with this, and they will total 4 double crochets, 2, 3 and 4. Now after 4 double crochets, make 2 chains and 4 more double crochets in the same space. See how? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it will look like this. Okay, now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in the next space, into this space, we'll make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 double crochets, make 2 chains and 4 more double crochets into this space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Like this we will complete our this 5th round also. Okay, and last, as usual we are doing this pattern. In 3rd chain we will join with a slip stitch like this, and it will look like this. Okay, in 6th round again make 3 slip chains here to come in the middle of this V stitch. After 3 slip chains, we are in the middle of this V stitch. Okay, now we will make 3 chains. After 3 chains, now we'll make 11 double crochets, continue into this space. This is our first double crochet, and we'll make 11 more double crochets. They will total 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, like this. After 12 double crochets, now chain 1 and 1 single crochet in this space like this. Okay, now chain 1 and in this space we'll make 12 double crochets, continue. 1, see, after 12 double crochet, make 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space and 1 chain, and again make 12 double crochets into this space. As this, like this, we will complete our 6th round also. Okay, after this, in last, with make 1 chain, and in 3rd chain make 1 slip stitch, and here my 6th round is also completed now, and it will look like this. Okay, in 7th round make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and skip first double crochet, and in the next space, after 4 chains, in the next space make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next space, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, in between these double crochets, in this space make 1 double crochet. Like this we will make 11 double crochets with 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, chain 1, chain 1, and last double crochet in between these 2 double crochets. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We have 11 double crochets with 1 chain. Now make 1 chain, and in this single crochet make 1 single crochet and chain 1, and again 1 double crochet in this space in between these double crochets, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next space, like this. We'll make 11 double crochets total with 1 chain. And last 11th double crochet, chain 1, and in this single crochet make 1 single crochet like this and chain 1, and we'll start again to make double crochets from here till there with 1 chain, and like this we'll complete our this 7th round also. In last 1 chain and join with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain like this, and this will look like this. Okay, in the next round, and this is our last round of this pattern, 1 chain, 2 more chains, and there are 3 chains. Okay, now in the next space make 1 single crochet. See again, 3 chains, in next space make 1 single crochet like this, chain 3, in the next space make 1 single crochet, chain 3, in next space 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet in the next space, chain 3, 1 single crochet in the next space. Like this we'll complete this round. After 10 these rounds, we have 10 semicircles. Make 1 chain, and in this space make 1 single crochet like this. After single crochet make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in the next space make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, next in the next space make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, in the next space make 1 single crochet. Like this we will complete this round also. See, these small curves, they should be 10 on the one round, and in last we will make a last single crochet and chain 1 and cut the yarn here and make a knot. Hide this extra in the back side like this. And here my coaster is completed now. So I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.